Well, guys, welcome to our opportunity call today. My name is Simeon Chutila. I always like to bring this Shoabank opportunity to you. All right, on this lovely day. It's Tuesday here in Trinidad and Tobago, bright outside. And today is the 5th of the 3rd, 2024, right? So we want to go straight into the opportunity and really appreciate everyone taking the time to come out to hear what Shoabank is about, how you could get involved and start earning. It's simply as that, guys. With Shoabank, they have been operating since 2022. They have no monthly subscriptions. You could come in as low as 52 USDT into this platform and start earning daily. If you're into marketing, they have a really nice marketing plan available. They pay 7% on your first level. It's 10 levels deep. And with Shoabank, they have their own unique tokens where you could use these tokens to buy into the different levels, into the marketing, or you could buy cases into Shoabank's built-in marketplace and start earning additional source of income there. So Shoabank is a universal banking system that is 100% accessible online. With Shoabank, you could get involved with the bond contracts, their deposit option, or you could be qualified for a credit option where you could take a loan. And with this loan, you could basically do a lot of things, guys, right? So we want to get straight into the information, right? So you all could learn about Shoabank today. Welcome to all the new members. It's You guys could still let the groups them know that the call has started and they could still join if the case be, right? So that's the talk of the tongue, guys. Shoabank, and I'm here as an investor in the platform. And I firstly want to tell you guys that only invest money that at the end of the day you could afford to lose it, right? Because it's a cryptocurrency opportunity and crypto unregulated. It's a decentralized area, but a lot of organizations use this particular industry to earn profits to their organization, right? So basically, and distributes to the clients as well. So with that being said, in any business, guys, you do not go in with your rent money. You don't go in with your emergency money. And it's always a calculated risk, right? Just remember that. It come like any business, you open a fast food restaurant, thinking that a lot of customers would come in and you invest a lot of money into the business. And before you know it, you even meet that that amount for the week, that you catered for, right? Your quota, I should say. So it's basically the same concept. You're bringing goods into the country, you try to sell electronics and the market flooded already. So, it's had to cater for your losses and stuff like that, right? So just remember that. And also that I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Um, I'm just simply a guy. Got involved in March 2023. We are in 2024. So I have almost a year experience dealing with Shoabank, and it's amazing so far, right? Just remember, I do not handle or control anyone funds being invested into the platform. It's your own decision to come into the platform, and just remember that, guys, right? So I'm just here sharing the information. Once you see it being valuable to you, you make a decision to come into the platform. I can tell you off the bat that Shoabank has changed my life personally, right? So I'm just here sharing my testimony or journey with the platform, guys. So I've been with the platform since March 2023. Coming the ending up at this month, it will be a year that I'm with Shoabank, right? And what is really amazing with Shoabank, I want to get straight into the information side. We're going to talk a little bit about the legal side of Shoabank. And Shoabank have all their documents available on the website. If you're looking for the certificates number and stuff, it's available under Who We Are documentation, right? So Shoabank has been originally registered in Hong Kong in 2022, not too long after they got registered and regulated in the UK, right? They have the legal entity identifier number, which is a very important number on the website. They also have the ICRIS and the COI and IPLC certificate present. The COI is from Go Insurance. Go Insurance is one of the affiliate ecosystem companies around Shoabank. And I'm just going to get that information on the website here. So you could see a very powerful corporations around Shoabank. Right, you have Global Future Enterprises Group, Go Insurance, financial partners with over 35 years of experience dealing with finances, and financial partners is one of the main contributors to the FP series contract that we have currently. Just for you all to note that once you get to understand what the FP series is about, and you want to get involved with the contract, please make a decision before the 31st of this month, because come after that date, you would be unable to purchase the FP series contract. After that date, you will have contracts coming out from Universal Century, which again is one of the ecosystem corporations. But based on my understanding, the returns is going to be lower than the financial partners currently contract. So guys, once you finish the presentation here, you simply reach back out to the person who invited you to the call and tell them you'd like to get started, and they will guide you accordingly once you want to get started with the contracts that is from financial partners. So all these are companies around Shoabank, right? So Shoabank, basically, the person behind Shoabank who made it possible for us to invest and start earning daily is Mr. Shao. He's the bank founder, right, of Shoabank. He made it possible for us to invest and start earning a passive income. Right, keep that in mind. So all the information is available on the website. You're going to get the roadmap. There's a really nice roadmap geared all the way for 2031. Right, really, really exciting there, guys. You will get the documents here in terms of the business plan if you want to take a look at that. Different languages available, and that is something that stand out to me. The languages available on Shoabank. When I joined last year, they only had 2 languages available. Now there's 12 plus languages available on the platform. So they are really reaching different organizations and different countries. So on this website, you're going to see a lot of information. And if I head over to market analysis on the business, this is something that stand out to me as well with Shoabank, because Shoabank deals with bonds originally, but in recent times, they got involved with Bitcoin mining. They got involved with Bitcoin ETFs and chip innovation technology, dealing with like chipset for phones and technology on the whole. So I like that diversification that the platform took, right? That Shoabank took initiative there and bringing in profits into the organization. So if you all notice here, the Bitcoin current price is 60,000 plus. Shoabank made an announcement that they got involved into the Bitcoin mining when it was at a low, right? A few days after, it skyrocketed, guys. So that's a good thing for us as investors in Shoabank. And on the website here, you're going to get the banking report for 2023. If you want to take a look at that, it's available on the website. You can head over to insurance and you're going to see banking. You could download the bank's financial report. And this is basically going to show you how money is being distributed within the organization, right? So you can take a look at that. Really, really important information here. A lot of information here. Financial information, that is, guys. So you can take a look at that when you have some time. And we want to get straight into the bonds explanation, the contracts. So this is what an account would look like once it's fully verified. It's super easy to get verified. You sign up with the person who invited you to the call, let them send you a referral link. And with that link, you basically go through the KYC process, which is just uploading your documents. And you want to get also an option to enable the two-factor authenticator within the account under settings, right? So that's some nice security features behind Shoabank on the website. The KYC helps protect your identity. So in that way, nobody wouldn't really infiltrate or hack your account, I should say, right? It helps protect your identity. So we're going to go straight into the bonds explanation today. Currently, we have 8 bonds available. If I hit the About Bonds tab here, you're going to see buying securities is profitable. And a little information, what is bonds about, corporate bond, issuer, bond certificate, and so forth. So a lot of information here that is valuable to you if you want to know what exactly is a bond and what it is about. So you can check that out. right? On the account under bonds, you're going to see about bonds here. So what Shoabank enables us to invest into is bond contracts, right? So we have here, all thanks to financial partners, the basic bond available is the FP1, right? Which is 40 bonds to buy into, right? Okay, no, sorry. FP1 contract here is the first option on the bond contract, and the minimum you could purchase this particular bond for in the contract is 52 USDT. That's $51.28 USDT. It's going to give you 0.50% a day, 7 days a week for 4 years. Your weekly earnings is 14 HKD. So you're going to see HKD here, not to worry about that HKD. That is basically the Hong Kong dollar, right? I like showing this website here, HKD to USDT. Right, so this here is a free converter online. You don't really have to do this, but this is just to give you an idea as to what equivalent amount it is in the USDT. So remember, you're coming in with the lowest amount, $52 FP1. Your weekly earning is 14 HKD. So 14 HKD is $1.78 USDT return back to your account. All right. So basically, that's the amount coming back weekly. All thanks to financial partners again for the FP series, because with these FP series, you get daily earnings as well. Obviously, if you're coming with the lowest, guys, you're going to get a low return coming back to your account. Remember, it's 0.50%, 7 days a week for 4 years. You have options to invest into different crypto. It's not just related to USDT, Tether, TRC20. You could invest Bitcoin, Ethereum, about 12, 13 plus crypto. And then you have Alipay and ePay. You would see HKD here, which means you could invest with your balance. You will get your balance reflected every day into your account based on these contracts, right? And once it adds up to 400 HKD minimum, you could activate a FP1 series contract, right? You could activate that. So really nice contract to start off with. It's not limited to just FP1. It's 8 contracts we're going to explain here. You have FP2, you get 0.60% a day, 7 days a week for 4 years. The minimum to invest into that is 257 USDT. And your weekly earnings is 84 each KD, right? So 84 is $10.72 USDT return back to your account on a weekly basis. You also get the daily as well, but these are low contracts, guys, meaning that it's the minimum to invest. So I'll just show the weekly projection for you, right? So you have the FP3 here that pays 0.70%, 7 days a week for 3 years again. This particular contract is minimum is $1,025.60 USDT. Your weekly earning now is 392 HKD, right? So if I put 392 here, that's $50 return back every week to your account based on the calculations there. And what you could do with that $50 is do withdrawals, guys, because withdrawals is $7 minimum USDT. At no commissions on the USDT, and most of the time we did our withdrawals, we got it in less than 24 hours. Keep that in mind, right? So you have that FP3 powerful contract. If you could afford it again, definitely it's an option to consider. FP4, the minimum is 5,128 USDT. You get 0.90% a day, 7 days a week for 3 years, right? And the weekly is basically 2520 HKD. So if I put 2520 here, it's $321 returned back to you USDT into your account. So really, really powerful contract there. The FP4 is 0.90% we're talking about. We have the FP5 that pays 1.1% a day, 7 days a week for 2 years now, guys. It's no longer 3 years or 4 years. It's actually 2 years with this amount. Right, and that's a whooping 1.1% a day, right? So the amount payable for this particular option, it's 10,256 USDT. Your weekly earnings is 6,160 each KD, right? You have the FP6 where you get 1.3% a day. All right. And with this particular contract, it's 2 years, and the amount payable is 25,640 USDT. Your weekly is 18,200 each KD. All right. Good. So perfect combination here with the contracts. You have the FP7 that pays 1.5% a day, 7 days a week again, right? And for 1 year, you get a total income of 42,000 HKD. The minimum investment is 51,280 USDT. You have the final contract that is available. It's called the FP8. And with this FP8, it's 2% a day, 7 days a week for 1 year now, guys. So the last two contracts runs for 1 year. Keep that in mind, right? And the amount payable is 102,560 USDT. You get a weekly earning of 112,000 HKD back to your account. So really, really nice combination there in the contracts available. There's other ways you could earn within Shoabank, and you have the deposit option where it's like, remember, it's a bank you're investing into, online that is. So you have a yearly fixed deposit option available where the minimum you could come in is $1,026 USDT. You get 11.5% growth at the end of the cycle. So this particular option here, you could actually cancel whenever you like, but it will be locked for 1 year minimum, meaning that it would have a run out its cycle now. It will be indicated under your history as well, just like how the bonds is under your bonds history. You're going to see your contracts where the dates you activate those bonds. You're going to see like a certificate and stuff. This would actually represent you buying into the bond, right? The good thing about Shoabank is every so often they're going to release new bonds. Like what are they going to do from next month? It's going to be new bonds available. You're going to get the agreement form here as well. But this agreement form is going to tell you all the information that you basically signed into with Shoabank, right? You're going to see all the documents and stuff here. Let me just wait for that to load up. So really, really nice information on the bonds tab there with your bonds history. All right, so just wait for the document here. So this here is like agreement form that what you signed into, all the information about the bonds and stuff, you can check that out on your own time. And once you buy a bond, you head over to bond history and you can see all the information there. So you see different countdown timer here. That's because we bought into the early bonds. And with these bonds, they run for a week minimum. A week. You all have the FP series, that particular option running 1 day. Every 24 hours, you get returns back to your account. But remember, come the 31st of March, it's no longer going to be available, right? So moving forward, on the account, you're going to see a card here. It's called a Shoabank virtual card. It's like a Master Visa card, and you could use this card in Hong Kong and some of the supported European countries. But this card here, your balance in terms of your returns reflects on this card, right? Yeah, from the contracts, that is. So you're gonna see some option here called refill balance. I like this a lot. Just earlier today, a partner within the network, we actually tallied up his return balance from the contract. Plus, we send money from crypto wallet to the existing balance, and he was able now to activate a FP2 contract. So really, really nice feature here is like a top-up service to top up your account. It's called refill balance. You could send any one of these supported crypto into the refill balance. Well, we deal a lot with the USDT here in Trinidad. So what's your minimum you could send, guys? And it's like a savings account within Shoabank. So really, really nice, and nice feature here with the refill balance. You have withdrawal. The withdrawal is literally $6.41 USDT, zero commission charge on the USDT. If you choose Bitcoin or any one of the supported crypto, they do charge a commission of 7.8% on some, and they have commissions on the others. Also keep in mind the minimum would be different too when come to withdraw with a different crypto. Really unique feature here in Shoabank. It's called transfer. With this transfer feature, you could send money from your account to a partner's account within the network, right? So really, really unique feature there. It's called the internal transfer feature with Shoabank. So moving forward, we already covered the bonds, we covered the deposit option, the account information, which is Shao card. I'm going to get into something really unique here. It's called a credit option. With this credit option, it's categorized in three areas: mortgage, consumer, and business, guys. So in order for you to qualify for a loan within Shoabank, you had to have a deposit working for you and also the bonds as well. Right? What they implemented is a credit rating score. Once it's reached a certain figure, then you would be able to apply for a loan option. So you have it in mortgage, they charge 9% interest rate for the year. You have consumer, they charge 16.5% for the year, and business, they charge 14.5% for the year. All right, with these options in the loan, you could basically buy a property, you could open your business, do medical treatment and so forth like that. So really, really nice feature there. And what I like a lot about Shoabank is their marketing structure, guys. In their network marketing structure, you have some options to consider. And with Shoabank, they have their own tokens. You get rewarded tokens into your account when you participate into the marketing and you have active clients coming into the Shoabank, you get rewarded tokens and commissions as well. So on your first level, once you share your link and a partner signs, like your co-worker, friend, family, somebody introduce the opportunity to, you get a 7% instant commission to your account, right? And this is not 2% or 0.5%, it's a whopping 7% into your account from Shoabank, right? That's a simple thank you. So you have that level 1, you don't have to pay any tokens for that. If you want to participate into level 2 all the way to level 10, however, you would have to make a one-time purchase, right? And you can see that here clearly here. We bought into level 7, right? You could actually use your tokens to buy into the different levels if you want to participate into the networking side of Shoabank. So we have here cases, guys. With Shoabank, they have a built-in marketplace. And with the built-in marketplace, you could buy cases. So I'm going to do an example now. We have $39 available here. We're going to hit buy case and buy case now. Instantly, I earn 20 HKD to my account. It's no longer the figure I called before. So this is instant earnings to your account. Every 24 hours, you could buy a case. It's not limited to the common case. It's only costing 1,000 for the common case tokens. You could buy a rare case. You could buy mystical, legendary, or immortal once you have the required amount. So the immortal is by far one of the best cases available in Shoabank. And that's a lot of money you could earn instantly, guys. So that's another way, apart from the commissions being earned through the different percentages, you could earn through their cases. That's two ways to earn. And then Shoabank have contest programs where you could get involved with the Telegram chat active group and start doing some task to complete, and you could get tokens to buy cases within your account. With that being said, you could head over to support tab. You could reach directly out to Shoabank. If you're on the main website, however, you could also reach out to help and support. And you will see short videos here showing you how to get started. If you was not referred by someone, you could sign up directly with Shoabank website. You're going to see an address you could visit here, but you would have to call first to make an appointment. And there's an email you could send directly to Shoabank. With that being said, guys, I want to wish you all a productive day ahead, a productive week. I know today's a working day in Trinidad, so everybody is busy and working and stuff like that. So remember, Shoabank gives you the ability to invest online with their platform, and you could earn a passive income or additional income, I should say. So now is the time to get involved. As you all could see, Shoabank is growing great. We have a lot of social sites present here. You have their YouTube site. A lot of information on their YouTube social site here, different presentations. There a lot of information here to get started with Shoabank. And you have also Their Facebook page very active, Telegram, and all these social sites here are very, very active, guys. Shoabank recently had some global meetings and stuff in Nigeria, Argentina, Brazil. Office was open in Brazil, and the platform is working great. It's growing, and this is what I wanted to really get involved with, a solid platform working, and it's a gold mine opportunity. That's the easiest way I could put it, guys. You coming in here, you're gonna get involved with Shoabank. They're gonna allow you to invest into the bonds contract and start earning daily, also weekly as well. So for more information, reach back out to the person who invited you to the call. It was really nice sharing this opportunity with you all, and I will see you on the inside. Have a fabulous day and a great weekend ahead. A great week ahead.